Good morning! So one of my Christmas presents that I got was the opportunity to go in a flight simulator up at Blackpool Airport because that's where I did my last flying lesson. So today is the day that we're going up to Blackpool and we're setting off at about 11:30 and I just thought I'd vlog it for you guys. So obviously I won't be able to film it all for you guys as that's just not allowed, but I thought I could give you guys some advice in case you wanted to do this too. So right now I've just brushed my hair and I'm going to go downstairs and make some breakfast, and then I'm going to come back up, charge my phone and do some homework for a few hours, and then we will be setting off and I will be getting back to you. So I went and made myself a good old brew and paired it with a donut to make a very healthy breakfast as usual for me. After absolutely devouring it, I went to put my contacts in, which you can see here was an absolute nightmare. I am in absolute awe of you if you do this every day because I just found it impossible. Well, that only took me half an hour. I was actually thinking of going back to contacts, but after that, no chance. I used to wear contacts every single day when I was 13. So how I managed to do that, I've got no idea. This is what I decided to wear, simply my black and white Converses, new look super skinny jeans and my white bag, as well as my Matalan suede jacket. At 12 PM, we very anxiously rushed into the car because my lift was half an hour late, but better late than never, I suppose. And we just had a bit of a sing-song on this hour-long journey before finally arriving at Westair. I had no idea what to expect, but this is what the simulator actually looked like, which was very impressively realistic. Once sat in our seats, the instructor explained the starting process in great depth, as you can see here.
To start it, push that switch forward all the way so you down for 3 seconds. So, and then this gauge appears exhaust gas temperature. That should start to go up to 6, then jump down to 4. 6
Wheel well fire test.
Check that.
Cardinal fire test.
Generators. So this is generator panels. So when this lights up blue like we used to, we can turn the APU generator on, which is our own power, and we can flip those two forward. Okay. It's not ready yet, so if you go to there, go.
Wheel well fire test.
Check that.
Cardinal fire test.
So if you do that one there, so press the hold and then look either side for the warning lights. From my side and this side, okay.
IRS off then now.
The IRS is on here. So if you turn it to off, both of them to off, and then back to that position. So the IRS is what gives you our navigation systems. And the ground power, APU power is available. So if you flip those two generator switches forward, there you go. So we've gone onto our own power now. That's going crazy.
Mac SB warning system test.
That's my side, so we're just going to check for an audible warning on the side. So if we're going too fast, so we're about to stall, we'll hear bad noise. We're in the centre position, and then the switches from here are 2 green ones. Both sides are in the normal position as well.
So that's alright.
Yeah.
And then fuel control.
We're heading orange, so we'll pull them forward.
Says fuel control if greater than 1,000 km.
So we've got the wing tanks are full. Nothing sense tanks, we can keep those off.
Window heat on.
Window heat my side, so if you flip these two forward, and these two on the side. So we'll heat into window.
In this clip you can see that we were actually effectively in the air. At this point we had already experienced an emergency in which a landing gear had failed to lock, so we had to abort the landing and go around.
We've flying 64, well, we've been in the aircraft 64 minutes so far. The other day, the guy had to stop there because he was just so tired. Okay, well done, that's really good. So we're just south of turning towards Wales. So what we need to do, just give the aircraft a little rock left and right. So left and then right, and come back onto heading. So that's it, just throw it around a little bit. That's good. we're hoping by this sort of rocky motion, whatever, if something's catching me here, it'll just kind of loosen up a little bit. So we'll put it down next. Should work. Okay, so if it turns back into heading, keep us that's good.
We booked the 90-minute experience, so got to experience a couple of failures after becoming completely comfortable with the aircraft and its basic controls. I would also like to apologise for the varying sounds within this video, but obviously that is what the aircraft is actually supposed to be like, so it just emphasises how realistic this is. Uh-oh.
Okay, so you got fine warning, having control. Okay, so have a look around the aircraft and tell me what's going on. Okay, fire in engine 1. Okay, excellent. So what we need to do is fire handle up. Then we need to turn all the way around to the left towards you. And then all the way around, I'm just going to wait for a minute and it should extinguish the fire. Okay, what I'd like to do is number 1, fuel cut off please. Auto throttle disconnect. Yeah, and if you can bring number 1 engine back for me, please. Excellent. So we're on 1 engine now. And a quick reaction handle, please, just under there. Now we need to find the fire emergency page and just go through that and make sure what we've done is correct.
Auto throttle engage, disengage.
Disengaged.
Thrust lever of the affected engine, confirm closed.
Closed.
Engine start lever, affected engine, confirm cut off.
Cut off.
Engine fire switch, affected engine, confirm pull.
Confirm pull. And then is there anything after that?
If the engine fire switch or end overheat light stays illuminated, engine fire switch rotate to stop.
Okay.
And hold for 1 second.
Cool. Okay, so we've got no warnings on your side and my side.
No.
And the fire warning lights. Also brake this on, so you need to brake for us. We're going really slow now. Perfect. Just bring us to a stop and apply the parking brake, please. Stop. Still going down there. Oops. Let's stop. Lovely. Okay. And then let go. What do you think?
Whoa.
That was really good. That was really impressive. Keep an eye on your runway.
Right slow.
Yeah, just a little bit. Keep it there, that's fine. Just keep it there and
Right
left
slow.
towards the runway slightly. That's it. And center your wings. You're going to start
Right
moving
slow.
left, center your wings. That's it. And nose down a little
Right
bit.
slow.
Keep nose down towards it. Just go for a runway now.
Right slow.
That's
Right
it.
slow.
That's really good. So get your wings level. That's
Right
perfect.
slow. Right slow.
That.
Still 1 second.
So come left then.
Right
Left, that's
slow.
it. Just a little bit. And get ready on your reverse levers.
Sink rate.
Don't
Right
sink
slow.
into houses. Pull back a little bit.
Sink rate.
That's good. And nose down a little bit. Nose down.
40, 30, 90.
Right a little bit. Nose down. That's it. Gets on the floor. That's it. Good. Perfect. So level wings. Level wings. Nose forward. Reverse levers. Excellent. And direct to your left foot. Also brake this on so you can have the brake as well.
After the first landing, we were given the opportunity to land at another difficult airport, which was successful, but only on my second attempt. We did crash the first time. Eventually, we left and met up with family for this really gorgeous meal of garlic bread, burger and chips before heading home in a very mentally drained state. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.